Stop scrolling, because what you're about to see is not just a motorhome. It's a moving luxury mansion. Imagine waking up to a mountain sunrise, drinking coffee in a glass-walled lounge, taking a hot shower in a marble bathroom, and then driving your entire house to the next destination. Today, we're diving into the most functional and luxurious motorhome ever created. And by the end of this, you might start questioning why anyone even buys a regular house anymore. This isn't just a vehicle. This is engineering, comfort, and luxury combined into one masterpiece. At first glance, it looks futuristic. Sleek body, aerodynamic curves, LED light strips, and a presence that instantly turns heads. But here's where it gets insane. With just one button, the entire motorhome transforms. Slide-outs expand, walls extend, and suddenly, what looked like a vehicle becomes a full luxury villa on wheels. As you approach the door, there are no keys, just smart access, fingerprint, digital entry, seamless and modern. The door opens, and you step into what feels like a 5-star hotel suite. The living area is where things get crazy. Premium leather sofas, ambient lighting, a massive hidden smart TV, and full voice control. Everything feels open, airy, and perfectly designed. And the best part? Panoramic windows. Wherever you park becomes your view. Mountains, beaches, forests, or city skylines. Your surroundings change, but your comfort stays the same. Now let's talk about the kitchen. This is not your average RV setup. This is a full luxury kitchen. Induction cooktops, a full-size refrigerator, a smart oven, marble countertops, and hidden storage everywhere. You can cook full meals here, not just snacks. And yes, there's a built-in coffee machine. Because luxury without coffee, that's not happening. Right next to it is your dining space. Clean, minimal, and elegant. Perfect for family meals, remote work, or just enjoying a peaceful dinner while watching the sunset outside your window.
Now, the bedroom. This is where most people fall in love. A king-size bed, premium mattress, smart lighting, hidden storage, and a quiet, soundproof environment. And instead of waking up to walls, you wake up to nature. Every single day feels different. Now, the bathroom. And this is where expectations get completely shattered. A full-size shower, glass enclosure, modern sink, premium fittings, and even heated floors in some models. Yes, heated floors, inside a moving home. Now let's talk about technology. Everything here is smart. You control lights, temperature, curtains, entertainment, and security through touch panels, your phone, or even your voice. You can prepare your entire home before even stepping inside. That's not just convenience, that's next-level living. But how does all of this even work? Simple. This motorhome is built for independence. Solar panels, powerful batteries, and backup systems allow you to stay off-grid for days or even weeks. You're not dependent on anything. You carry your own power. Now let's talk about functionality. Every inch of this motorhome is optimized. Hidden compartments, foldable furniture, and multi-purpose spaces make it incredibly efficient. This isn't just luxury, it's smart luxury. And it doesn't stop inside. Step outside and you get an entire outdoor setup. Automatic awnings, a seating area, sometimes even a built-in barbecue and external entertainment systems. Wherever you park becomes your private resort. Now, you might be thinking, what about driving something like this? Surprisingly, it's smooth. Advanced suspension, driver assistance systems, and 360-degree cameras make it much easier than you'd expect. It feels less like driving a giant vehicle and more like controlling a high-end machine. So why do people love this lifestyle so much? Because it gives you freedom. Freedom to move, freedom to explore, freedom to live on your own terms. You're not tied to one place anymore. Your home moves with you. Imagine this. You wake up in the mountains. By afternoon, you're near a beach. And at night, you're parked under a sky full of stars. No hotel bookings, no packing and unpacking. Your home is always with you. Now, yes, this level of luxury comes at a price. High-end motorhomes can cost anywhere from $100,000 to over $1 million. But when you think about it, it's a house, a vehicle, and a travel experience, all in one. This lifestyle is perfect for people who love travel, freedom, and flexibility. Digital nomads, content creators, families, or anyone who wants to break out of routine living. So the real question is this the future of living? For many people, it already is. Because life isn't just about staying in one place. It's about exploring, experiencing, and truly living. And this motorhome lets you do all of that without sacrificing comfort. So what do you think? Would you live in a luxury motorhome like this, or stick to a traditional house? Let me know. And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more. Until next time, keep dreaming big and keep exploring.